Hi, I'm Jenny Bortman, President of Universal Insurance Programs. Growing up in the insurance industry, I'm very passionate about not only insurance, but also keeping our clients claims-free. Unfortunately, in the past few years, there's been a huge uptick in claims, many of which are very avoidable. So what does this mean to you? This will result in your insurance premiums going up, non-renewals going out, higher deductibles, and claims can also hurt your business's reputation. Today, we want to share with you some best practices that we can see that are often getting missed. One large loss could put your beautiful company out of business, and that is what we all want to avoid. Proper training to all of your employees is key, and it needs to be consistent and ongoing. We're going to focus on some specific areas we're seeing increased frequency and severity. And when something isn't right, the staff needs to know what to do. Fix it, call a manager, or call 911. Whatever the scenario is, your employees working need proper training to help minimize an accident from happening. So let's get started. First off, make sure you and your team are doing daily maintenance check-ins and reporting if something isn't right. If you don't have one, get Universal's opening and closing checklist and make sure that everyone is following the same best practices. These are very easy, yet business critical to keep your business safe and secure. On the daily checklist, there should be a section for equipment maintenance. Inspect all equipment, making sure that everything is clean and dust-free. As needed, look for loose screws, open grates, or damaged covers. If something is broken, make sure that the equipment is not in use and report the issues to management. This might be surprising, but we've had several large losses when clients were using broken equipment or sitting on broken chairs. Another simple step is to make sure that the fire extinguishers are properly mounted, visible, and accessible to your entire staff, and they know how to use them. There was a claim once where the employee called the manager about the fire instead of using the fire extinguisher or calling 911. This could have really minimized the size of the fire loss. Sprinkler systems need to be in good working order. If it's not your responsibility to do the inspection, make sure that your landlord is on top of it and you get a copy of the report for your records. Smoke detectors are a must, and you need to make sure that they're in working condition with active batteries. Moving to wire and electrical connections. All breaker boxes need to be cleaned and in good condition. All switches should be protected with proper covering. Light fixtures need to be attached securely to the wall or ceiling with no exposed wiring. Make sure that all electrical appliances and outlets are protected by proper GFICs. The number of fires we have seen because of poor electrical is very concerning. These claims are also very preventable if items are checked, maintained, or upgraded as needed. If you're unsure of what to do, call your electrician for recommendations. You have to take these recommendations seriously. Otherwise, a fire at your business could result in a total loss. Did you know that washing machines cause a lot of claims? So never operate your washing machine while the salon is closed. Leave a 3 to 4 inch gap between the back of the washing machine and the wall to avoid kinks. Check hoses frequently for cracks, especially near the hose connection, and replace the hoses every 2 years or more frequently or recommended by your plumber. This will be dependent on how often you're using your washing machine and how old it is. Toilets and sinks are another area of concern caused by faulty supply lines, broken toilets and sinks that go unreported, or toilets that are backed up due to foreign objects being inappropriately flushed down the toilet or jammed down the drain. Frequently inspect your toilets and sinks, especially at opening and closing times. Look and listen to ensure that there's no running water. If there is running water, turn off the water supply and call a plumber. Ensure that everyone knows how to shut off the valves for toilets and sinks in case of an emergency. Water heater. What does your water heater room look like? They are often tucked away in the back closet where they're rarely seen or inspected. The chance of a water heater leaking or bursting dramatically increases just after 5 years, and about 75% will fail in less than 12 years. So have a professional plumber inspect the entire system at least annually. A little upfront cost goes a very long way. So every business should try to do everything to prevent slips, trips, and falls. The salon and spa industries are especially susceptible to all of these injuries due to the heavy foot traffic combined with water or other products that are slick in nature that are landing on the floor, along with the constant spraying of liquid cleaning solution between each services. Therefore, you must keep all hallways, treatment rooms, and common areas clean and clear and dry at all times. We have seen so many serious injuries because of slick flooring. The use of non-slip mats are critical by the equipment, the entrances, and the exits. You may want to consider putting a chair in the room to help clients change safely. And after each service, make sure that the area and rooms are clean and dried. Use cautionary signs to identify problem areas and address hazards immediately. And when possible, mop the floors before and after hours when all of your clients have left your business. The inside floors and outside pavements need to be safe, and make sure that there's no holes, cracks, loose tiles, or floorboards. So these are just a few suggestions. Universal has been insuring salons for over 30 years, so we've seen it all. And claims that used to be about 20,000, maybe well over 100,000. So it's critical for you to be proactive. And UIP is here to help. We want to give you peace of mind while making the insurance process as easy as possible. So call our office with any questions, and remember, you can download the checklist from the link in the description. Thank you so much, and we hope to hear from you soon. Bye.